Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study maths for long hours. First, find a quiet, dedicated space free from distractions. Gather all your textbooks, notebooks, and stationery before you begin. Setting clear, achievable goals for each session will help maintain your focus and motivation throughout your extended study period. This preparation is key to a productive session. When you're ready to dive in, engage actively with the material. Don't just passively read. Instead, break down complex problems into smaller, manageable steps. Actively solve problems on paper, rather than just reviewing examples. Try explaining concepts aloud to yourself or an imaginary audience. This active recall significantly deepens your understanding and retention. To sustain long study hours, effective pacing is crucial. Try the Pomodoro technique. Study for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. After 4 such cycles, take a longer break of about 30 minutes. During breaks, move around and stretch. Remember to stay hydrated and keep healthy snacks nearby to maintain your energy levels and focus. To keep your mind sharp, briefly review previous topics before tackling new ones. Vary the types of problems you work on to prevent mental fatigue and maintain engagement. If you feel your focus wavering, take a short, mindful break. Conclude each long study session by summarizing the key concepts and problems you've mastered. This reinforces learning and builds confidence.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.